ASUMBI Teachers College Citizen Service Delivery Charter. Our motto, creativity for excellence. Our vision, to be a center of excellence in teacher education and training nationally and globally. Our mission, to promote quality teacher education and training within an aesthetic environment so as to produce competent, effective, and caring teachers for national and global development. Our mandate is to train holistic teachers who will effectively implement the primary school curriculum and provide relevant curriculum support materials. Our core values: integrity, professionalism, teamwork, innovativeness, courtesy, confidentiality, fidelity to the law, and respect for human dignity. Our stakeholders are our teacher trainees, the parents or the guardians, the primary schools, the Ministry of Education, the KICD, Teachers Service Commission, that's TSC, the local community development partners, for example, CFBT, IFAD, DICECE, which is in Homa Bay County. Our service to be delivered, service number 1 is receiving and registering of all the new students, allocation of classroom and hostels. The responsible to provide are KCSE mean grade C plain and above. For DPTE or DT certificates, C- for disabled as per the Ministry of Education policy. Service point, the admission office, the Dean of Students office. Specific timeline, 8 hours, only from 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Cost of service delivery is free. Our service number 2 is quality teacher training and education. Responsible are lecturers, trainers, trainee teachers, books, scheme of works, lesson plans or notes. Service points, Dean of the Curriculum Office. Specific timeline is 2 years maximum. Cost of service delivery is free. Number 3, service offered. Coverage of the DTE syllabus, teacher syllabus. Responsible to provide lecturers, trainers, trainee teachers, book, scheme of works, lesson plan, notes, approved scheme of work, lesson plan. Service point, the Dean of Curriculum Office. Specific timeline by 28th February of second year, 4 weeks. Cost of service is free. Number 4, providing fee payment statement receipt. Responsible to provide requirement to obtain services is customized accounting and bank statement, that is receipt books. Service point, the account. Specific timeline, prompt on request. Cost of service is free. Number 5, we have submission of monthly trial balances. Responsible, books of accounts and bank statement. Service point, the accounts office. Specific timeline, by the 5th day of the preceding day. Cost of service is free. Number 6, embracing professionalism and integrity. Responsible to provide a lecturer, tutors, support staff, and teacher trainees. Service point, the principal's office. Specific timeline, all the times. Cost service delivery is free. Number 7, responses to all inquiries. Responsible to provide at the college administration and department heads. Service point, the secretary to the principal. Specific timeline, 7 days. Cost of service is free. Number 8, information dissemination. Responsible to provide updates on policy guidelines from the Ministry of Education, the Constitution of Kenya, NEMA, and the TSC. Service point, the principal office. Specific timeline, during registration of new students and whenever need arises. Cost of services, NA. Services to be delivered, number 9, is formulation and distribution of the college rules and regulations that comply with the entire Ministry of Education sector, TSC requirements, the Constitution of Kenya. Requirement to obtain services, Board of Governors, the college administration, lecturers and the support staff. Service point, the Board of Management. Specific timeline, at all times. Cost of service is free. Number 9, service is providing a conducive working and learning environment. Responsible to provide our Board of Governors, the college administration, lecturers and the support staff. Service point, the Board of Management. Specific timeline, all the times. Cost of service free. We have number 11, service to be provided. We have graduation ceremonies upon course completion. Responsible to provide the board of management, invited guests, the college community. Service point, the principal office. Specific timeline, 4 hours only from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Cost of service, pay for accommodation, gown and magazine. Service 12, marketing, processing and release of internal examination results. Responsible to provide at the Dean of Curriculum, the head of department stroke subjects. Service point, the Dean of Curriculum office. Specific timeline, 2 weeks only. Cost of service, delivery is free. Number 13, insurance of teaching stroke learning resources or cards from the Learning Resources Center, which is the library. Response to provide the Learning Resource Center officers, librarians, head of section, possession of the library card. Time point, the Dean of Curriculum office. Specific timeline, prompt as need arises. Cost of services, delivery is free. Number 14, service meals to students, lunch, supper. The catering department officers, which is the breakfast, tea, breaks. Responsible to provide the students' union officials, the Dean of Student, possession of a meal card. Service point, the Dean of Students office. Specific timeline, prompt or at most 30 minutes. Cost of service is free. Number 15, issues of furniture, bedding and uniforms. Responsible to provide the procurement office, the stores management officer, the affected students. The Dean, service point at the Dean of Student. Specific time is prompt or as need arises. Cost of service is free. Number 16, clearance of students upon course completion, voluntary withdrawal or course deferment. Responsible to provide the college academic and non-academic departments, the college administration, the student affected, July sign clearance or certificate form. Service point, the Dean of Student office. Specific time, prompt or as need arises. Cost of service is free. Number 17, handling of discipline cases involving students. Responsible to provide the College of Administration. Service point, the Deputy Principal or Dean of the Students, lecturer on duties, other members of disciplinary committee, the students or the stroke students. Specific timeline, prompt stroke as need arises. Cost of service is free. 18, insurance of absence stroke permission checks to students. Responsible to provide the Dean of Students, lecturer on duty. Service point, the Dean of Students. Specific timeline, prompt stroke as need arises. Cost of service is free. Number 19, medical attendance to sick or ailing students. Responsible to provide the college health and the Dean of Students. Service point, the Dean of Students. Specific timeline, prompt or as need arises. Cost of service is free. Number 20, we have monitoring and evaluation on service delivery. Responsible to provide our comments, suggestions and queries from customers. Service point, we have the principal, the performance contractor coordinator. Specific timeline is prompt or as need arises. Cost of service is free. Our phone number is 254-7211-111-188. I can repeat, 254-721-111-188. PO Box 119-40 309 ASUMBI or PO Box 11940 200 Kisii. Our email is at asumbi@yahoo.com. Website www.asumbitTC@ac.ke.